Okay, how to put a new battery in your key. This is from a 2008 BMW 330i. So some of these keys you are able to just, pop open easily, but some of these BMW considers non-serviceable, which they don't have an easy way to crack open. And the only way you can do this actually is you have to break this body open. So you have a fresh razor. You'll cut yourself probably like me, but like just go around, just chip away around the body, and eventually you will finally break it open. So you can see you don't want to just gouge this razor all the way through there. You only really need to gouge about that much, and it's all around it. And you really just need to take your sweet time. This took me like a half hour of diligently just, a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. Then, when you have this open, you're gonna have to get a soldering gun. You're gonna have to unsolder the battery fittings here and here. And this is the battery you should just order. Before you start doing this key, you should just go ahead and order this battery. This is a Panasonic VL2020. And pay attention, because there's different VL2020s, but you gotta get one this style shape, because this is the way the fittings will match to the mounting holes in the motherboard. So make sure you order this key, and don't start opening up this key until you know you've had the correct battery. Make sure the battery you're looking on Amazon looks just like this one, VL2020. And once you get it back on, you're gonna have to glue it, and there are a lot of different glue choices. I'll show you the ones that I really like to use. You also want to order on Amazon this Sugru. So with the new battery for this, buy this moldable glue in black color. This is like Play-Doh basically. It comes in one-time use little packages. You just open up the package, and here is basically this little moldable glue. So it's basically like Play-Doh. You're gonna mold it to just this really thin wire, so you can go around the casing of this. And when you're done, you are just going to put it back together, and you're gonna, with a knife or a razor, just trim off the excess black glue around it to make it look nice. And then you wait like a day or two to let it dry nicely. Or you could try using super glue, but I think this stuff works really nice. It's black, so it camouflages into the key. It looks pretty nice. So yeah, hopefully that helped you place a battery in your key.